Hey guys, welcome to the video. So let's say that you want to make some edits in your store and you want to do that with a store that is online that is already selling. And this is a problem because anything that you change in your backend, it might be affecting the live store and your clients will see some things getting broken and not in the right way yet. So this is something that you don't want to do. So in here, I'm gonna give you tips on how to avoid that. So you're just gonna click here. You have your own live theme and you're gonna click here in this three dot and duplicate. Once you duplicate it, you're gonna edit the name. So let's name doll version 2. And you can do whatever you want in this theme right here because it won't mess with your live theme. So I'm gonna customize it right here. And let's make something very different just to run a test. So let's click on here and let's change this color scheme. All right, I'm gonna hit save and then it won't be showing in the live theme. And other thing that we can do would be adding a page. So we'll be adding one more page called testimonials. Let's base ourselves on the about us. So we have a little bit of content right now. And we'll basically copy the entire template. I'm just gonna change the name right here to testimonials. And all right, we hit save and exit. So right now we have our live theme and our backup theme. And to have the updates, you need to publish your version 2 because otherwise you would be already only seeing the last theme that you had. And one problem that we have right here is that we've created one template called testimonials, but we didn't assign it to any page. So let's try to make a page with this template and let's see what happens. So I'm gonna click here on pages and gonna add a page called testimonials. Let's already copy this name right here to be easier to copy to the other one because this one won't work. And when I click in here on the theme template, you don't have anything related to testimonials because we've created this new template in the backup template, in the backup theme. So we need to add this template on the live theme as well, so we can assign this one to a page. The good thing is that we don't need to bring all of the customizations to this new template because the template will come from the other theme. So stick with me right here pretty quick. I'm gonna save this page. I'm gonna go back to themes. Now on my live theme, because I want to create another template, I'm gonna click in here, pages, and I'm gonna create a template. The template needs to have exactly the same name that you had on the other theme. So I'm gonna type testimonials and based on default page because I want to be different. I want to show you guys that no matter what you're doing here, it will be completely based on the other theme. So I'm gonna create the template and go back. I'm gonna go to pages and now we have the template. So I'm gonna click here, testimonials, hit save. Let's go back to themes. Let's customize the other theme to see if this was the right name. Testimonials, this is right. So let's go back and let's see our live theme right now. So we have the preview right here, being this, and I'm gonna click here on the pages to see. Let's go to navigation to add testimonials here on the main menu. So I'm gonna add here test testimonials. All right, I'm gonna add, save. Let's refresh it. And when you click here, now we are seeing the live theme. So if I click in here, you won't see any content because the changes were not on the live theme. It was on the backup theme. If we go to home, you can scroll down and you'll be able to see that this section right here is with the same color that it was before. And I need to go here into our themes and go into our theme library and preview the new version. So I'm gonna click here, I'm gonna close the other one, and you will be able to see, let me hide this bar right here, you'll be able to see the new color for this section. Let's scroll up, let's go to testimonials, and now we have the testimonials page. Like I've made a copy from the About Us. So now that we are good to go, you just need to go back here and hit publish. It will replace your current theme. All right, this is what I want. And here you go. The live theme that it was before is now the backup theme. And you have the version 2 already online, and you had the chance to get everything right before publishing it. So this is a tip that I give to you guys. Never make your edits in the live theme, because it can break anything. It can mess up with your website, and you will have a hard time with your clients. That's it. I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.